हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू स्टोरी अंडरलाइन। इस वीडियो का टॉपिक है रिवॉल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटीज ड्यूरिंग 1907 to 1917, which is considered the first phase of revolutionary activities. It started as a byproduct of growth of militant nationalism as fallout of Swadeshi and boycott movement. हमने स्वदेशी and boycott movement पहले वीडियो में कवर कर लिया है। Youth thought if nationalist goals of independence were to be achieved, British must be expelled फिजिकली बाय फोर्स। सेकेंड फेज आया फॉल आउट ऑफ एनसीएम के कारण, नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट, जिसको हम आगे सेकेंड फेज में देखेंगे। रिवॉल्यूशनरी प्रोग्राम, द रिवॉल्यूशनरीज ऑप्टेड टू फॉलो फुटस्टेप्स ऑफ रशियन निहिलिस्ट और आयरिश नेशनलिस्ट एज इंडिविजुअल heroic action. Assassination of unpopular officials and traitors. Idea was to strike terror in the hearts of ruler. बात करते हैं बंगाल रिवॉल्यूशनरी ग्रुप्स की। कैलकाटा स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी, honeycombed with secret societies. At that time it was not active. First revolutionary group at Midinapur 1902 under Nanendranath Basu. अनुशीलन समिति, प्रमोठा मित्तर, जतिंद्रनाथ बनर्जी and Barindra Ghosh. In 1906 weekly Yugantar was published. Journals advocating revolutionary activities also includes Sandhya and Yugantar in Bengal, Kal in Maharashtra. In 1907, Yugantar group abortive attempt on life of very unpopular British official Sir Fuller. Attempts to derail the train Sir Andrew Fraser. 1908 Bara Dakati by Daka Anusilan under Pulin Das to raise funds. Alipur conspiracy case against Prafulla Chakki and Khudiram Bose because of bomb attack on sadistic Judge Kingsford at Muzaffarpur. Two British ladies instead got killed. Whole Anushilan Samiti was arrested. Prafulla Chakki shot himself dead. Bose was tried and hanged. Aurobindo defended by Chittaranjan Das, who was acquitted of all charges. Barindra Ghosh, head of secret society, and Ulaskar Dutt, maker of bomb, were given death penalty, later commuted to life in prison. Later on, in 1909, public prosecutor was shot dead. Deputy Superintendent of Police also met the same fate, that is, he was also shot dead. December 1912, Raj Bihari Bose and Sachin Sanyal led bomb attack on Viceroy Hardinge, Delhi. The next revolutionary group in Bengal under Bagh Jatin or Jatindranath Mukherjee, who was leader of Western Anushilan Samiti, emerged as Jugantar or Yugantar, led taxi cab and boat dacoities, organized guerrilla forces against British. The group also arranged to import German arms and ammunition through sympathizers abroad. Jatin asked Raj Bihari Bose to take charge of Upper India, aiming to bring about an all-India insurrection. The whole plan is called German plot or Zimmermann plan. The plan was leaked out by a traitor. Jatin and associates were located and was shot dead in Balasore on Odisha coast in September 1915. बात करते हैं revolutionary activities in Maharashtra in 1879. In 1879, Ramosi peasant force under Vasudev Phadke instigating armed revolt by disrupting communication lines. In 1890, Tilak propagated spirit of militant nationalism. Tilak's two disciples, the Chapekar brothers, Damodar and Balkrishna Chapekar, murdered plague commissioner at Pune, Rand and Lieutenant Irist. In 1899, Mitra Mela, which was secret society by Savarkar and his brother. Later in 1904, Mitra Mela merged with Abhinav Bharat. In 1909, A.M.T. Jackson, who was collector of Nasik, was killed by Anant Lakshman from Abhinav Bharat. बात करते हैं पंजाब की। Extremism was fueled by issues like famine, rise in land revenue, irrigation tax, practice of begar by zamindars. Anjuman A. Mohizbin A. Watan under Lala Lajpat Rai and Ajit Singh in Lahore. They both were deported. Their journal Bharat Mata. In 1913, Raj Bihari Bose met Jatin to discuss an all-India armed uprising extending from Bengal to Punjab. Bose escaped Japan in 1915, finding Indian National Army. Other important leaders like Bhai Parmanand, Lala Hardayal. बात करते हैं रिवॉल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटीज अब्रॉड। श्यामजी कृष्णा वर्मा 1905 इन लंदन फाउंड इंडियन होम रूल सोसाइटी और Indian House, his general, the Indian sociologist. In 1909, Madam Lal Dhingra murdered Curzon Villay. Madam Bikaji Kama in 1909, who was Parsi, located in Paris and Geneva, founded Bande Mataram, which was journal. The Ghadar Party of 1913, whose aim was to organize assassination of officials, public revolutionaries, bringing revolt in British colonies. It was encouraged by Komagata-Maru incident and outbreak of First World War. The headquarters of Ghadar Party, San Francisco, and branches along US coast. Swadesh Seva Home at Vancouver. United India House at Seattle. Important leaders like Lala Hardayal, Ramchandra, Bhagwan Singh, Kartar Singh, Barkatullah and Bhai Ghadarites fixed the date, that is 21st February 1915, the day of armed revolt in Firozpur, Lahore, Rawalpindi garrison. But due to treachery, the plan failed. The government passed Defence of India Rules 1915, which allowed detention without trials. Special courts were propped up, giving extremely severe punishments. Court-martial of army men. Bose fled to Japan and Sanyal was deported for life. Hence the plan failed. The revolutionary groups in Europe like Berlin Committee for Indian Independence 1915 under Virendranath Chattopadhyay, Bhupendranath Datta, Lala Hardayal under Zimiran Plan sent missions to Baghdad, Persia, Turkey, Kabul to incite anti-British feeling. Mutiny in Singapore, 15 February 1915 under Jamadar Chishti Khan, Jamadar Abdul Ghani and Subedar Daud Khan, where 5th Light Infantry and 36th Sikh Battalion rose to revolt. Komagata-Maru incident and Ghadar Party. So here ship carrying 370 passengers, mainly Sikh and Punjabi Muslims from Singapore to Vancouver, who were turned back by Canadian authorities because influenced by British, and after 2 months of privation and uncertainty, finally ship anchored at Calcutta in September 1914. Conflict with police at Bajbaj led to death of 22. Ghadar Party got inflamed. Raj Bihari Bose and Sachin Sanyal were asked to lead the movement. Political dacoits with prime focus on moneylenders, teached militant nationalism with complete secular approach, lacked an organized and sustained leadership. Decline की बात करें, so with release of prisoners under Defence of India rules, the movement got declined. Conciliation after Montagu's August 1917 statement and later on coming of Gandhi. So we have covered revolutionary activities, that is first phase. PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पर मिल जाएगा. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो पे, तब तक के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.